Alright, what's going on, guys? Scene from Merc Films here, and today is another RCCA video. Got another RCCA event. If you don't know what it is, I had a video on it not too long ago. Yeah, I'm doing another video on it, only this time I'm not going to do a cinematic for it. I think, you know, it's the same track over and over. Nothing's really changed. So I'm just going to do another GoPro type of video, kind of vlog type of video, so you guys can come with me on the little adventure. That's the video, the last video. Be sure to check it out. But yeah, it's probably can't see, but it is thundering and raining sideways out. So it should be a little sideways today, maybe not, I don't know. But we'll see, should be good. This is gonna be the last video period of the event, but no cinematic, just vlog with GoPro footage, onboard GoPro footage. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy. The first one's here.
Huh?
The first one's here.
Well, besides.
I said for him. But he doesn't count. Like he does.
We're first Americans.
First Americans.
I'm gonna go bring my phone. Alright.
I'm a park here right next.
Okay. You're good, dude. RCCA Evo. My car. My jitter. It's kinda dark, ain't it? People just showed up. It's probably just gonna be us. Everyone's here. Most people are here. Here's the course layout. So we start at the 4 dots there, which is the 4 cones over there. And you come around. Go around the red cone over there once. Then you come around the island. Yeah. Should be cool. Yeah. Should be cool.
There's like 1.5. Really good.
this, but it is raining sideways. Nasty out. This guy's about to go. It's been like this all day. Alright guys, so that's the video. It was raining all day, it was pretty wet, I couldn't really get a good time in. It was a lot slower, so that's why the video is a lot longer. It's about 16 minutes long. I'm sorry about the longer video, but that'll be the last one I'll be covering for a while at least. It's just, like I said earlier, it's like the same thing over and over again. I'm pretty sure it's getting pretty stale. So until something changes, the track changes or something crazy starts happening or people start drifting, I doubt I'll be continuing to film this. I'll still be going to them, but this would be the last one I filmed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed the event. I had a blasty blast. But yeah, until next time everyone, take it easy, have a good one. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button, comment and subscribe, all that good jazz. Until next time, take it easy everyone, have a good one, all that stuff. Bye! Meow.